So I got those two inner door panels to do next. So here we go.
here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, or chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright, come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.
So if you look close, you can see there was a tan color. And then it looks like they went with some sort of lavender purple. And then finally this blue. Okay, so definitely some kind of lavender. And then blue, black, and tan. So again, this is from Harbor Freight. It cost $119. It comes with 3 pads, the 40, the 120, and the 2 something. Now, you know I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight. This is not a paid advertisement. If they want to send me something, I'll talk to them. But so far, I did sand blasting, pressure washing, media blasting. I did regular sand blasting. I did spaghetti wheels, wire wheels, sanding discs. Stop whatever you're doing whatever tool you're using, then go get this right now. This is so much easier. I mean, you see the difference before and afters. So, a shout out to Marshall over at Garage Time TV, because he did it first on his 52 truck. Here I am. Thanks a lot, Marshall. It works. Great. So here we go again.
I'm gonna get me religion. Join a Baptist church. I'm gonna get me religion. Join a Baptist church. Then I'm gonna be a Baptist preacher, Lord. I don't have to. Well, one deacon jumped up, he began to grin. I said, one deacon jumped up, he began to grin. He said, I'm so glad I go back to Bell House again. Well, the sister jumped up. She began to shout. Well, this sister jumped up. She began to shout. I'm so glad this corn liquor's going out. Well, one deacon jumped up, said, sister, why don't you hush? Well, one deacon jumped up, said, sister, why don't you hush? Said, oh, you know you drinks corn liquor, girl, your lines are horrible stuff. Well, this other sister jumped up, she began to shout. Well, this other sister jumped up, she began to shout. She said, oh, I believe I know what it's all about. Well, and I was in the pulpit, jumping up and down. Well, then I was in the pulpit, jumping up and down. All my sisters in the corner, howling, woo, Alabama. I'm gonna get me religion. Join the Baptist church.